Hello everyone, and today I'm here again with a tutorial for you people, and again it is OBS. I'm covering OBS with another aspect, and that is how you can mute the volume while you're recording in OBS Studio. Now, why would you want to do that? There are many cases. For example, if there is some noise surrounding you, or you are recording so that you can add music at the end, or you can do a voiceover, or you can do some narrations and so on. So I would tell you today and why we can use, or why would anyone use OBS Studio. The first of all, you can do live streaming with it, and secondly, you can basically add images, videos, audio input, speakers, windows, screens, your your camera of your PC, which is known as a webcam, and you can do a lot of stuff with. So let's get started here. Now this is the main interface of OBS Studio, open broadcasting software. And what you're going to do, it's very simple. Simply what you're going to do, if your mic is attached to it, you're going to mute it, and if you have desktop audio or anything, you're going to mute it completely. Now why we are doing this? Because of the fact that we don't want any sound or any noise. Even though when your laptop is running, there is a kind of a sound. We don't want any sound. We just want to mute it totally. So mute any mic sounds, mute any desktop audio you want to. And now we are going to start recording, and we'll see whether the sound is recorded or not. Yes, I'm going to just record this blank screen. I'm continuously speaking and talking, so let's see the voice is recorded or not. Yes, I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to basically my videos, let's see where it is saved by default. Right here inside the videos, this is the video, and let's see the video is running. There is no volume, no sound, no voice, although I was talking, right? So let's do another thing now that you're done. It's mute totally and completely. Now what we should do, we are simply now going to add a voiceover or a sound to it. So we are going to click plus, and then where is the source? This is media source, right? Okay, we are going to click OK. We are going to browse, and inside F and we have this OBS, we have this sound clip. Okay, sorry, all media, right? This sound clip we are simply going to add, and we'll start recording. Okay, now I'll stop recording to see what's happening. Right, let's go back to our videos. This is our new video. So how is everyone today? I'm recording for OBS Studio. Take care. Have you seen this? Before, we couldn't hear any sound because I muted each and everything. But after that, from here, I added media source. From media source, I added the voiceover I wanted, or any music or anything you want to. So when I added that, you can see that my voice is coming with this display as well. This is a blank display. You can add anything. So this is how you can actually mute while you're recording, and add a voiceover, a recording, a sound, or a music, or anything you would like to. Plus you can see here media source, the volume is full now because this is the volume of the source we have added, the recording that I showed you. So I hope that this tutorial is really helpful for you. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.